Mozzarella in carrozza. Mozzarella skewers. Everybody loves that. And there's a few steps involved, but it's easy to make. So we have the flour. We'll need some eggs to dip the skewers in. I'll put some milk just to loosen up a little bit the eggs, a little bit of salt, and let me whisk this. Okay. Next, let's make the skewers. So we have the bread, and we have 7 slices, typical American bread, and we will line that with slices of mozzarella. So let's cut the mozzarella in slices, not too thick. This should be enough. So we start with a slice of bread and some mozzarella. Next, again, nice mozzarella, then bread again. And don't be afraid to push it in position. Okay. Once you have it like this, we have 4 skewers, and you put 1 in each corner just to hold your multi-layered sandwich, if you will, together. Okay. And then we will cut off the crust. Hold it just like that together with a serrated knife. So now we will cut this in 4, just like these. This is what you want. So hold it in the middle, and slowly, with a serrated knife, you go right through the middle, and you go the other way. And then you pick each one individually, and you kind of press it through. That's 1. Okay, let me put this one right down the middle. And voila. We have some vegetable oil here. So now the process goes that the last one is the egg, dip the flour, and we'll move on. So just lightly on each side. And yes, the skewer will kind of turn on you, so make sure that you keep it just like that. Don't leave it there too long. You don't want it to really get very soupy. You just want to kind of egg each side. Okay, let's get it right in the hot oil. And here you have to be attentive because you have to keep on turning them. You want them to get nice and brown on all sides. This one in. This one seems to be done, so you drain it. Okay, let's put this one in here. So, a good way to keep them nice and warm is to have a preheated oven, or about 250 degrees to 75, and you put them just like this in the oven and let them stay nice and warm and finish kind of the cheese melting and all of that while we'll make the sauce. And the sauce is really rather simple. Okay, so the spiedini are done. I'm going to just put the oil on the side and get going with the sauce. Olive oil, just to begin. Let's get the crushed garlic in. Then the anchovies. chopped in 3 because you want them to disintegrate. And I know anchovies can be, a lot of people don't have a liking to anchovies. But you know what? You can also omit them and just make a lemon and caper sauce. So let's put the capers in there. Lemon juice, that's fresh lemon juice. A little bit of vino. A little bit of stock. And we'll let this bubble away and really concentrate the flavors. You can make the mozzarella and carrozza, the sandwiches, fry them, keep them in the oven. You can make the sauce and leave it in a little pan and just heat it. And that's what kind of a party, if you will, especially one of these sport parties where everybody's really focused on the screen until the commercial comes on. Then all want to run for food. So, you have to time it that way. Now, and you take it right off the skewer. You don't want to keep the skewer. And that could be your presentation, but what you could also do is that you can cut it in pieces. They just break up so easy. I'm gonna show you and then I'm gonna reseal one. You see, just the cheese melts in there. You see, just like that. And they can break up a piece just like that. Okay. Parsley, plenty of parsley. I will take out the garlic. There we go. And the sauce is ready. So, okay, this looks like a festa. I want to taste some, but I do not want to spoil the looks of it. Okay, so there's one little one here in the back, and I'm going to cut that in half. Lemony, anchovy, cheesy, all the keywords that make food good. You can cut it in pieces when you're ready to serve, and with a toothpick. Just like I picked it up with the knife, with the hands, it could be great for that party.
To learn more about Lidia, access to videos, and to get recipes, tips, techniques, and much more, visit us online at lidiasitaly.com.